students, welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Suman. I am going to teach you social studies and today's topic is the coastal plains and island. Before started the video, subscribe our YouTube channels and press the bell icon to get the notification. Hello students, today I will explain you the chapter the coastal plains and the island. Do you know students what are the coastal plains? They are flat areas of land located near the sea or ocean. Students, the coastline of India is divided into two parts. One is the eastern coastal plains and second is the western coastal plains. This area is known as the eastern coastal plains and this area known as the western coastal plains. Students, first of all we will discuss about the western coastal plains. The western coastal plains lies between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea. Students, the eastern coastal plains can be divided into three parts. One is the Gujarat coast, second is the Konkan coast and third is the Malabar coast. As you can see in the map also, the Gujarat coast lies toward the north, the Konkan coast situated in the middle and the Malabar coast lies in the south. The Malabar coast attracts many tourists because of the lagoons located here. Now students, do you know what are the lagoons? Do you know students what is in this picture? This is the picture of lagoons. Lagoons are shallow saltwater lakes that have been separated from the sea by rocks or sandbars. These are also known as backwaters and are mainly found in Kerala. Now students, let's discuss about the eastern coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains are smoother and wider than the western coastal plains. The eastern coastal plains extend from the West Bengal coast in the east to the Tamil Nadu coast in the south. The eastern coastal plains divided into two parts. One is the northern Sarkars and second is the Coromandel coast. In the northern Sarkars, Visakhapatnam is an important port and the Chennai port is the most important port in the Coromandel coast. Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri are important rivers that form deltas along the eastern coastal plains. Do you know students what is in this picture? This is the picture of an island. Now we will discuss about the island. An island is a piece of land surrounded by water. The Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Island are the two main island group of India. Which island? The Lakshadweep Island and the Andaman and Nicobar Island, and both of them are the Union territories. Andaman and Nicobar Island is located in the Bay of Bengal. Port Blair is the capital of this island group. Indira Point, a village in the Nicobar Island, is the southernmost point of India. Agriculture is the main occupation of this island. Paddy or rice is the main food crop. Coconut, spices, and rubber are also grown here. So now student, tell me which is the main crop of this island? Yes, paddy or rice is the main food crop in this island. And some other crops are Yes, coconut, spices and rubber are also grown here. Now we will discuss about the Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory of India and its capital is Kavarati. Lakshadweep has a total of about 36 islands. How many islands? 36 islands. But people live only 11 islands. These islands are surrounded by beautiful coral reefs. Do you know, students, what are coral reefs? This is the picture of coral reefs. Coral reefs are sea creatures with hard body covering. Coconut is the main crop cultivated here. Students, fishing is the main livelihood of the people of this island. Now, let's discuss the life of the people in the states that lie mainly in the coastal plains like Gujarat, Goa, Kerala, Odisha and Puducherry. Students, first of all we will discuss about the Gujarat. Gujarat lies in the northwestern part of India. Gandhinagar is the capital of this state. Farming is the main occupation of the people of this state. The main crops grown here are bajra, jowar, sugarcane, cotton and groundnut. Students, Navratri is widely celebrated before Dussehra and Garba is the main dance of the Gujarat. Which dance form? Garba dance form. Do you know, student, what is in this picture? Yes, dhokla. You like dhokla? Yes, everyone is like dhokla. Khandvi, ghogra, thepla are the special dishes of the state. Ras, Garba and Bhavai are some of the popular dances form of the state. To the south of Maharashtra lies Goa. It has many beautiful beaches. Its capital is Panji. Konkani is the main language of Goa. Farming is the main occupation of the people of Goa. They grow rice, cashew and vegetables. Our next state is Kerala. Kerala lies in the extreme south of the western coastal plains. Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of the states. Kerala is famous for traditional industries. Kerala is the most literate state of India. Do you know, students, what is the name of this mountain? The name of this mountain is Anai-Mudi. Anai-Mudi in Kerala is the highest peak in the Western Ghat. Do you know, student, which dance form is this? Yes, Kathakali. Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are the main classical dance of Kerala. Onam is a popular festival of Kerala. Which festival? Yes, Onam festival. And this is the picture of snake boat race. Snake boat race are held during Onam festival. Now we will discuss about the state Odisha. Odisha is located on the east of India by the Bay of Bengal. Bhubaneswar is the capital of Odisha. Which is the capital of Odisha? Yes, Bhubaneswar. Odisha is the home to many tribes that have their own style of clothes. Mahanadi is the major river of these states. Which river? Yes, Mahanadi river. The Hirakund Dam is built across river Mahanadi. The state is famous for temples such as the Lingaraj temple at the Bhubaneswar, Jagannath temple at Puri and the Sun temple of Konark. And this is the picture of Rath Yatra. The Rath Yatra of Odisha is a special festival occasion associated with the Lord Jagannath in Puri. Students, this is the picture of the Union Territory Puducherry. The Union Territory of Puducherry, earlier known as Pondicherry, lies to the south of Chennai. The people here speak French and Tamil. The main occupation of the people is farming. Farmers mainly grow rice, oilseeds, sugarcane and coconut. Students, this is the picture of Mask Festival. Which festival? Mask Festival. Masquerade or Mask Festival is an important festival of Puducherry. Students, now the chapter The Coastal Plains and the Islands is finished. Now let's do some activities. Students, you can see here some pictures, and in front of the pictures there are some clues. You have to match the pictures with the clues. Okay, student?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now let's start. Look at the first picture. This picture is belonged with which clue?
Kathakali.
Kathakali. This is the dance form of Kathakali. Now, second pictures.
Mohini Attam.
Mohiniyattam. This is the picture of
Mohini Attam.
This Kathakali and Mohiniyattam are the main classical dances of Kerala. Now, third picture.
Snake boat.
Snake boat race.
Snake boat
Third
race.
picture is the snake
boat
boat
race.
race. Snake boat races are held during the Onam festival. Now, fourth picture.
Lagoon.
Yes, fourth picture is the
Lagoon.
lagoons. What are the lagoons? Lagoons are shallow saltwater lakes that have been separated from the sea by rocks or sandbars. Now, fourth picture,
Kerala.
Kerala. The fourth picture is the
Kerala.
picture of Kerala, and the Kerala is famous for the temple. Okay, students?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Students, now our chapter The Coastal Plains and the Island is completed. Now you have to learn and write some important points of this chapter. Okay, student? Thank you.